hug the block like a teddy bear. Hey, I got readies here, we stack them up, ship them out, distribution everywhere. Them niggas ain't ready here, slang game is steady here. On my grind early, make it rain like confetti. I'm a bitch, but it's cool, cause most niggas is bitches. Only difference is, I'm that bitch and y'all snitches. Y'all claim to be G, wish that you was from the hood. Well, I can tell you first hand, I live it, it ain't good. It's a method of survival, we do it because we have to. I'm from, we blast niggas before they come blast you. We flood the streets with that white, cause my dudes, we got eat. Come around with that fake shit and get your ass beat. We try and change a little bit, ain't trying to be a little G. Try and get my life together, try and stay about these streets. But it's hard cause they be calling me, they screaming, yo, Chop, we need you out here. So I go right back to the block, right back to the spot, right back to the trap. I'm in that bitch with the dope and the burner in the stash, right around the point. 357's up in my lap, ready to show a nigga they don't want no mishaps. Most bitches my age, you can find them in the club, but not me. I'm on the block trying to sell this last dub so I can go see the dope man. Tell him to read me up, cuss him out real quick, cause he stay trying to fuck with me if you want, but I'm a real thoroughbred, so pop shit and my niggas will pop shit at your head. Yes, we can throw the hands, but I'd rather throw lead and you can get it anytime, bitch. I ain't never scared. Snitch niggas fuck around with their tongue in they lap. Cold is in the street, you get not. Shut your trap, let me find out, and your ass to get found dead. And I ain't lying, put my life on anything that I said. You want test, be my guest, baby girl, come and get it, but cover your chest for how points get stuck in it, cause when we bang them things, run straight. Be careful what you say, your life might be at stake. My niggas ready, whether you war or not, and you ain't gotta step right where you stand, you can drop. And in case you haven't heard, it's that kid called Chaka, hold heat that called shock, and it'll make your body rock.